Hello guys, how are you? Have a nice day. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are. So let's do this. This is the ring gear. The ring gear assembly of a tower crane. So this ring gear, guys, this is the one that turn the superstructure of the tower crane. It's quite heavy, guys. 12 tons. So this is the ring gear. Dismantling this tower crane. It's the ring gear assembly of the tower crane. It's coming. This is Som Lion tower crane with 75 meters boom. Capacity is 12 tons on the nearest radius. So this is the ring gear assembly. So the boom of the tower crane is attached on this ring gear assembly. It's almost in the ground. Finally, it's on the ground now. Thank you for watching.